So I wanted to show you that when the kids were here, we had mule deer loins that I had cut into medallions with mushrooms. We had a big green salad and asparagus. And this was the leftovers from that night. And I'm just warming it up. Let me steam up my lens so that I can have some dinner. Like I said, the kids are gone. Oops, steamy. There we go. So there's dinner for tonight. Cast iron cooking. Doesn't get much better than that. And I cooked this mule deer loins the same way I did the antelope. I spiced them up, put my seasoning on them, and then butter basted them in the cast iron, and then tossed them in the oven. Oh, I guess it was 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. I think it was at 425 in a convection oven. So yeah, that was dinner that night, and it's dinner again tonight. Hello. You thought I was going to sign off, huh? Wrong. One more thing. As soon as I finished dinner, I came in and got the kitchen cleaned up, and I promptly fell asleep. Slept for about 2 hours. So I'll probably be up all night. But when I woke up, I was craving something sweet. I wanted chocolate, but there's nothing in this house that's candy. So I remembered when I had a daycare, I came up with, or I saw somebody had made this treat for the kids, and I thought, ooh, that sounds good. So I'll show you what I did. Okay, so I went and got the peanut butter out, and I got the cinnamon out. And I mixed the two together and put them in the microwave. Mixed it together and cut up some apples. And what you do is you dip your apples in the peanut butter cinnamon mix. And ooh, it's so good. Anyway, little healthy snack. Just thought I'd share that with you. Haven't had it in a long time, and it was good. I think I did a little too much, but yeah, you just heat it up in the microwave, I don't know, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, whatever it takes, you know, to melt it. And then you just dip. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you.